Packing for your flight, but not sure if your shampoo will make it through airport security? Don't worry, in this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about traveling with shampoo, whether it's in your carry-on or checked luggage. Shampoo in carry-on bags. You can bring shampoo in your carry-on, but there's a catch: each container must be 3.4 ounces or less, following the TSA 311 rule. Shampoo tablets, though, are excluded from this rule. Handy, right? Bringing larger shampoo bottles. If you need more shampoo, use refillable travel bottles. There's no limit on the number of bottles you can bring, as long as they all fit into a quart-sized, transparent toiletry bag. Buying shampoo after security. Don't want to deal with tiny bottles? Buy full-sized shampoo after passing through security. But beware, airport prices can be steep. Shampoo in checked bags. Good news, you can pack full-sized shampoo in your checked luggage without restrictions. Perfect for long trips when travel-sized bottles just won't cut it. Dry shampoo. Dry shampoo, even in aerosol form, is allowed in both carry-on and checked bags. Just make sure the can is 3.4 ounces or smaller if it's in your carry-on. International flights. The same rules usually apply for international flights: small amounts in carry-on, full-sized bottles in checked bags. Or, save space and buy shampoo at your destination. Packing tips. Pack your shampoo wisely. Use a sturdy toiletry bag to prevent leaks and spills, especially for long-haul flights. Final thoughts. To recap, small bottles of shampoo go in carry-on bags, full-sized bottles are fine in checked luggage, and you can always buy more after security. Plan ahead, and you'll never have to worry about shampoo on your flight. Safe travels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel hacks and tips.